Hi, this is Campbell driving around Hamilton. Welcome to my vlog. Improved confidence is the theme of this month's Market Snapshot. Over the past year I've secured unconditional contracts on $11 million worth of multi-income real estate. The banks have of course relaxed their criteria for investors, for people buying property generally. The finance brokers that we're dealing with, the valuers, the solicitors, are all telling us that they are seeing more business coming over their desks, which is all very encouraging. The improved confidence has been evidenced by an increase in sales. The residential market in October was up 12% on September's sales. November's sales, which are yet to be confirmed, look likely to enjoy a similar increase. The number of listings have increased significantly as buyers have been coming into the market. Vendors have become more confident that this is a good time to sell, and we've seen the amount of stock in Hamilton that is available for sale increase by almost 30% over the last 3 months. So some good opportunities out there whether you are buying or selling. With my own sales over the last little while, 2 blocks of particular interest. One, a block of 8 at Dyer Street, sold within 4 days of coming to market unconditionally at the asking price in competition. Last week we sold another block of 10 flats in Ulster Street. The expressions of interest campaign on that generated 3 offers. 2 of them were unconditional. Of course, a couple of buyers there missing out, so we now have some good unconditional buyers who are simply looking for blocks to purchase. There's plenty of time to sell your property before Christmas if that's your interest. We're needing blocks of 8, blocks of 10, smaller stuff around the 3 and 4. Good demand across the board at the moment. So if your plans include the sale of your property or indeed the purchase of investment property over the next little while, I'll be grateful of the opportunity to help you with that. My details as always on campbellscott.com. If I don't catch up with you before Christmas, do have a very safe and happy holiday season, and I look forward to catching up with you again in the new year. All the best.